and Target lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Target lovers, you're probably new here because I have never done a video like this, but my husband and I just bought our very first house and we are slowly furnishing, and we've been living here for a solid week and a half with no chairs. I thrifted a table from a local thrift store and it had some scratches and it was like the perfect shade. Like I really wanted a natural wood, unfinished kind of look, and that's pretty much what I got, but my table has some nicks and scratches in it, which is totally fine. I'm not a DIY person. I don't actually know how to fix those things, but when I started to try to look for chairs, I was like, oh my gosh, there are no chairs like this that are worth having in thrift stores. So I started looking at like Walmart, Amazon, and Target, and I found these chairs that I fell in love with. And I'm gonna show you why, okay? Just hang on. This is kind of like the vibe of the wood that I was going for, but hang on. This is my couch. It's like polyester, but it's like a faux leather thing here, and I felt like when I very first saw this couch, I was like, how cute and like bohemian. The fun fact is that I actually bought this sofa like a year ago when my husband and I moved out of my mother's house and our son was like about to turn 2. Then we moved to Turkey, as you guys know, and now we're back and we bought a house, and we're expecting our second baby. So we bought this couch again. We bought the same couch we had last time. Why? Because I love it. So let me show you the chairs. Okay, tell me that chair doesn't match. Like, try and tell me. Can you even deal? Like, it also has the same like faux leather vibe, but the legs like match the table so well. I love them. I just got the email that my Target chairs for my dining room have come. There they are. Other than the TV, that's actually already out. But there are actually 7 boxes, so that means one of them is my TV stand. Better get to work. I have to simultaneously do this and my like work e-learnings at the same time. So, yeah. Okay guys, that is it. That is how you put together these cute chairs from Target, which by the way, they have a name. They're called the Rennet Faux Leather and Wood Sling Dining Chair by Threshold. And I love them. I just think they're so cute. And also, FYI, I'm totally not sponsored by the people at Target, but hey, at Target, if you would like to throw a little something my way, you could definitely at least pay off my Target credit card that I used to purchase these. And yeah, that's it. If you guys liked this video or would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like the video and please subscribe because I upload new videos whenever I feel like it. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.